Hello students, this is Jasveer Kaur, your social science teacher. Once again here to teach you about your important questions from history chapter number 1, that is French Revolution. Intentionally I am doing this work because nowadays we are proceeding further your pre-midterm first Viva questions. Viva questions we are doing, so that's why I am trying to prepare yourselves to accordingly, so that you may prepare your questions for Viva. Okay, so today we are going to discuss chapter history, that is French Revolution. Although written test is over, but Viva is still there. And I will conduct Viva based upon these videos only. Right? I think tomorrow there is Viva, and please take care. And you have to join all these classes. So keeping this in mind, let us proceed further with the series of questions. With the series of different questions. Question number 1. Question number 1. What was the most important legacy of French Revolution? Yes, children. Hopefully you are doing your writing. I am dictating your writing. What was the most important legacy of French Revolution? Most important legacy was liberty and democracy. Liberty and democracy and provision of democratic rights. Liberty and democracy and provision of democratic rights. This was the most important legacy of French Revolution. Then question number 2. Question number 2 is there. In which famous war was Napoleon Bonaparte defeated? In which famous war Napoleon Bonaparte was defeated and when? You have to write the year also, right? You have heard about Napoleon Bonaparte in our this chapter French Revolution, और आपने हिंदी इंग्लिश में स्टोरीज भी पढ़ी होगी इनसे रिलेटेड. इन 7th 8th class there are stories. Okay, now next is our question number 3. Very important. When did Napoleon Bonaparte became the Emperor of France? When did Napoleon Bonaparte became the Emperor of France? Then our question number 4. Question number 4. When was slavery abolished? Completely, absolutely abolished from France. Abolished in France. When was slavery completely abolished from France? This was 4th. Now come to question number 5. Question number 5 tells us about the slave trade. Right? So you have to write, name the French ports, sea ports. Right? इसमें हमने चैप्टर में पढ़ा था ट्रायंगुलर ट्रेड होता है ना. One triangular trade होता है where this slave trade is there. Europe, Africa and America. So that you have to mention here. Which was the major port through which slave trade was done? Major 2 ports of France where this slave trade was being done. And next we have question number 6. 6th question is अभी I was telling, name the 3 countries where triangular slave trade was in practice. Name these 3 countries where slave trade was in practice. Right? Then our question number 7. Then we have to see our question number 7. When did women finally get right to vote in France? Many times we have discussed in our videos, right? तो इसको मैंने थोड़ा आपको ये भी बताया था कि इंडिया में सिंस इंडिपेंडेंस everyone has right to vote, but countries, European countries, their also right to vote was implemented very after struggle, after these movements, right? So you have to write the question. When did women finally get the right to vote in France? Okay. Now our next question is question number 8. Question number 8. Name some important political clubs formed by women. Name some political clubs formed by women in France to gain their rights, to gain their political rights. They have named clubs and they have formed some associations also, I told. Formed the clubs and these associations formed by women, you have to name these clubs, right, or this one, for their political rights. Very, very important. Now our question number 9. Question number 9. What do you mean by directory? What do you mean by directory? Right? Directory, you know that rule of directory was set up over there in France. And after that, there Napoleon came, na? तो इसमें कुछ 5-member committee was like that. That was rule of directory and rise of Napoleon. ये कुछ correlated है. Try to understand this thing. Yes, children. Next question is 10. Question number 10. How was Robespierre was? How was Maximum Robespierre got his end? How did Maximum Robespierre got his end? I mean to say, how did he died over there? How did he died over there? Right? Then question number 10. I think 10th is done. Question number 11. Then that was, what was glutathione? Glutathione. Gullotiine. Glutathione. Glutathione, it was a device, right? So then our next question is question number 12. Who introduced Reign of Terror in France? Who introduced Reign of Terror in France? Then our question number next is, what was the time period of Reign of Terror? What was the time period of Reign of Terror? किस ईयर में था ये Reign of Terror? That you have to tell. Which year? Then question number 14. Question number 14. Which new assembly was formed by Jacobians? Which new assembly was formed by Jacobians? Then our next question is, Who was the leader of Jacobean Club? Who was the leader of Jacobians? Who was the leader of Jacobean Club? Then next question number 16. Next are question number 16. And we have to see who were the Sanchlatans? Who were the Sanchlatans? You have seen there were two terms, Sanchlatans and knee breeches. Right? Who were the Sanchlatans? And what were, question number 17 आप note करो. Who were the Sanchlatans? 17 and 18 question. What is knee breeches? What were knee breeches? And very important and we can say tells us about how France becomes republic. So इसी based I have framed one question. What was Marseilles? What was Marseilles? Rosette. And who composed this? Next question आप इसको बना लो. 20th question. Who composed this? What was Marseilles? Question number 19. Question number 20 is that you have to say that who composed it? Who composed it? And very important, question number 21. Question number 21. Who could qualify as an elector? Who can qualify as an elector? Right? After this France becomes starting with there was no elections were there more than 175 years. No elections were there, but now when France becomes constitutional monarch, there are some two types of citizens, passive and active. Right? So active citizens also there was classification, who can vote, who can contest, like that. You have to write here who can be elector here, right? Who can contest election here. Okay students, note down their answers also. If you find any difficulty, you are free to ask me. Bye, take care, don't forget to attend your class, and next Viva would be there. And while making that Viva, you have to on your video. Please take care, do take care about it.